Hey everyone, and welcome to World TV. Today we're going to do the unboxing of an iPhone XS Max. So let's go straight into it. So if you order your iPhone through the app or internet site, the iPhone is going to come in a box like this. Just going to give you guys a closer shot of the box, how it's going to be packed. As you can see, pretty nice, solid packaging. The iPhone nor the box won't be damaged. So now I showed you guys what does the box or pretty much the packaging is going to be looking like. Now let's go ahead and cut this plastic off and show you the actual iPhone box. And for that I'm going to use this nice and handy sword. Guys, you only have to use a sword like this. You can't be using a regular knife because you're buying an iPhone. You gotta use something legit. So let me try to cut this without cutting off my hand. Okay.
A few moments later.
Give me a second.
3 weeks later. Many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So I was able to cut this using this nice sword right here. So yeah. Let's put that back. Let's go right into it. So this is the box of the iPhone XS Max. Now, since we removed the plastic from the original packaging box, let's remove that and actually look at the iPhone box itself. So up front, as you can see, as always, there's a picture of the iPhone. On the side it says iPhone, and on the back there's a little bit of information about the phone. Now, let's open this up. This is like one of the most satisfying things. The other one is actually opening up the iPhone itself. I'm actually so excited to see this phone. Been waiting for it since September 14 when I pre-ordered it. And what is this? Oh hell no! Oh hell no! No! So as you can see, there's some paperwork right here. Let's put this on the side for now. Inside, see some information, like a quick start guide, showing you some standard information like Face ID, stuff like that. SIM eject tool, right here. More information like user guides, and of course the Apple stickers to add to your collection. Now, as you look at the iPhone, it's gorgeous, but again, let's put this on the side for now. So behind the iPhone, we see that we do not get fast charging this year, regular 5-watt charging brick. Then we get some earphones, or as they call their AirPods, but no dongle. Sadly, no dongle this year. So the rumors were true. And then the regular lightning cable. So now when we look at the phone itself, I purchased a 256 space gray model. Now it has this plastic protection. Let's take that off, and God, this is literally the most satisfying thing. I know I mentioned opening up the box itself as one of the most favorite things, but this is the most favorite thing about the iPhone right here. This is the only time this phone's gonna be this clean. After this moment, scratches and everything is gonna be on it. But as you can see, guys, This is the phone. So let's power it on. So there you have it, guys. That's the unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. So you pretty much see everything that going to be in the box with the phone. I'm going to make a review about it after 2-3 weeks of using it, so stay tuned for that. And as you can see, the videos that I tried to make, they're a little bit on the fun side. I tried to put some weird stuff in it. So if you guys can subscribe and leave a like, we really appreciate it, and it's going to stimulate me to make something funner and something weirder. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Straight from the top of the dome as the rock